Well, howdy. This is installment 3 of the evolution of a banjo song. So, I'll play you what I have so far. I think I have the first part put together, and I'm generally happy with it. I still have a couple things I'm wondering about. I'll go ahead and play it. It goes off into a different part there that I don't have worked out yet. So I made a couple little mistakes in that first part. Sorry about that. So I'm thinking there's going to be 3 parts to this song. First is the formation of this river. So it starts off as just a little creek or just a little puddle of a thing way up high in the mountains. That's represented by that. And you hear kind of the solitude or the loneliness or the quiet of that setting. And then eventually, as the stream rolls down the mountains, it gets to the point where it's bigger and kind of hits some flat lands, and that's where people start showing up. That's where people can farm, and where there will be mills and homes and people who are using the river. That's where it's going to go from this. I make that G7 to set up changing keys to C major. So there I'm going to want that to be a little more folksy, sturdy head traditional folk song kind of a thing. And then I'm thinking there'll be a third stage that'll change keys again. I'm thinking to A, no particular reason, I just may change my mind, but I'm thinking A right now. And I want that third part to be a little more ragtimey, representing when a river may dump out into another river. And at the confluence of 2 rivers, oftentimes that's where towns were settled. And some more riverboat kind of culture and music, and something a little more ragtimey to represent that final stage. So thinking there's 3 stages. This first one, the thing I often wonder about is how long to make a section. It has to be, it's just kind of like being a guest somewhere. You want to stay long enough to enjoy where you're at, but you don't want to overstay your welcome. I kind of keep that same thinking when I'm writing a song. It has to be long enough to make the point, to say what you're wanting to say, but not so long that you overstay your welcome. So this first part I timed is about 1:15 seconds, and I think it's okay. I'm wondering if it's long enough, if I need to repeat a part. I'm kind of thinking it. I think it's okay right now. So you guys, you can give me your opinion, what you think. Accompanying instruments, I actually played a little bit of this with a piano player, and I don't often think of piano because I don't think of piano as a kind of a Appalachian or folk instrument. But boy, did I like the way it sounded together with the banjo, the way the bell-like chords of the piano and the way the chords can just hang in the air. So I may go with that. I thought about doing it just as a solo banjo piece, but it's taking shape. I'm making progress on it. So that's where it stands now. So your opinions or comments are welcome. So more later. Thanks.